Here in class 8 we have learned that when a force is applied on an object and this force displaces the object in the same direction of it, then amount of work done is the simple multiplication of the magnitude of force applied and the displacement taken place. Now let's try to solve some word problem on this basis. A very simple word problem it is. A force of 50 Newton displaces an object in the same direction as it is applied by 2 meter. Force is applied 50 Newton, displacement taken place 2 meter. So if you put the values 50 multiplied by 2, 100. Newton and meter both are given in SI unit, so work done will be 100 joule and no need to convert anything anywhere. This is how we can proceed with these types of word problems. Let's change this problem a bit. Let's have a look at this word problem. Here we have to find out the amount of force applied on an object when displacement is 0.5 meter and in the same direction of the force applied, whereas work done on it is 40 joule. Let's write that formula we have learned. We know this formula. W is equal to F into S, where W denotes work done. Work done is 40 joule. Force is to be determined and displacement is 0.5 meter. Therefore, F is equal to 40 divided by 0.5, that is 80 Newton. If you simplify, you will get 80 Newton. This is how we will find out F. So among these three physical quantities, any two will be given. We have to find out the third one. From the given word problem, go on putting the values which are given. Any two will be given among these three. Find out the third one. In this diagram, I try to show that this object moves through this distance, 280 centimeter. So it displaces from here to there on the same plane of this board. My question is, what is the work done on this object due to gravitational force? What is the amount of work done on this object due to gravitational force when the object displaces by 280 centimeter on the same plane, horizontal plane, same horizontal plane. One more interesting thing, let us suppose this is the ground, earth surface plane. One object is thrown at this angle. What will happen? The object will reach some height and will fall back to the ground. Now our question is, what should be the work done by the gravitational force on this object? Here remember, work done by the gravitational force in this case will be considered as force by the gravitational gravity, that is weight of the object, multiplied by vertical height the object attains, this height. And since the initial point and the final point lie on the same plane, total displacement becomes 0, though it attains this height, but it comes back again. So the vertical height becomes 0, vertical displacement becomes 0, this part becomes 0. So the gravitational force, that is weight, multiplied by 0. So work done by gravitational force on this object will be 0.